How to delete your account on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I'll show you the way on how you can delete your Instagram account, so simply make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to delete your Instagram account, it's very simple. Just go ahead and then launch your Google browser. Now on iPhone it's a little bit different, and on Android also it's both different. If you want to watch for iPhone, then you can watch the other video, but the process is very simple. Just go to, let's say, instagram.com. Once you go to instagram.com, make sure you are logged into your account. Now the reason I'm showing from browser is because sometimes the option may not be visible from within the application. Once you go to instagram.com, you will see this kind of interface. Now here, just tap on the profile icon over here. Once you tap on the profile icon, tap on the gear icon, and once you tap on the gear icon over here, you want to go to help center, so just go to help. Once you go to the help center, just tap on help again, and over here you want to search for the article that is delete account. Once you search for delete account, it says delete your Instagram account, so just tap on it. Here you'll find the ways to delete your Instagram account. So if you're trying to delete from mobile browser, you have to tap on this button that says delete your account. If you're trying to delete from iOS, then the process is again different, so just tap on go to the delete your account page. As soon as you do that, it says why do you want to delete your Instagram account, so just select a reason why you want to delete it and just re-enter your password. Once you re-enter your password, tap on the delete account at the bottom of the screen and your account will be successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete your Instagram account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.